faculty members and participants who have joined us online for the third day of our 5-day faculty development program on recent trends and emerging technologies in computer science, innovations, applications, and research perspective. Organized by the Department of Computer Applications and the PG Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph's College Arts and Science in association with IQAC and IAC. To begin today's session with the blessings of the Almighty, I now invite Ms. E. Yamini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications.
Loving Heavenly Father, we come to you this hour asking for your blessing and help us. We are gathered together in this third day FDP on AI in academic productivity. For your blessing upon our founder father and chairman, Reverend Father Dr. J.E. Arun Raj, Administrator Reverend Sister Dr. M. Baby, Principal Dr. R. Ruban, and our today's resource person, Dr. N. Mohanaraj, Dr. N. Manohar, and on all the faculties of various institutions, that this FTP will be an effective learning tool for all of us who have joined in this session. We give this entire FTP into your mind and we ask this prayer in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Amen.
Thank you, ma'am. To extend a warm welcome to our gathering, I now call upon Mrs. D. Kalayarasi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications.
It is a great honor and privilege for me to welcome you all to this special occasion. It is my pleasure to welcome our expert administrator, Reverend Sister Dr. M. Baby, our Principal Dr. R. Ruban, Head of the Department, the faculty members, and technical staff and participation members, and also our chief guest, Dr. N. Manoharan, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and IT, Jamal Muhammad College, Autonomous of Tiruchirappalli. Welcome, sir. Dr. Manoharan has an outstanding academic career with over 24 years and 10 months of experience in teaching and also research and administrations. He holds a PhD in computer science and has a completed multiple post-graduation degree including MSc Computer Science, MPhil and PG DCA. His visited knowledge and dedications to higher education are truly admirable. Thank you. And once again, welcome Dr. Manoharan, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Today's session focuses on the theme Artificial Intelligence in Academic Productivity. To introduce our distinguished resource person, Dr. N. Manoharan, I now invite Dr. N. Nirmala Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications.
Good afternoon. Dr. Manohar sir served in several leadership roles, including principal in charge, vice principal, and head of the department. He has also contributed significantly as an academic council member, board of studies member, and nodal officer for various national level education initiatives. He has published 19 research papers, authored 8 books, and holds 2 passions in innovative technologies like IoT and healthcare systems. His contributions to study development, academic planning, and digital transformation are truly commendable. Sir, we are deeply honored by your presence today. On behalf of everyone gathered here, the management, staff, and students, I extend a cordial welcome to you. We look forward to your inspiring words and valuable insights. Thank you and welcome once again, Dr. Manohar.
Thank you, ma'am. We are indeed privileged to have with us Dr. N. Manogaran, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science, Jamal Muhammad College, Trichy. Sir, we are delighted to have you here with us, and we now hand over the session to you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
May I audible to you, ma'am?
Yes, sir, audible.
Here some internet issues are there, so I want to check whether. Just a minute, ma'am. We will start, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Screen is entirely shared or it is in a minimized mode, ma'am? My screen is
Yes, sir, minimized mode.
minimized.
Please slideshow.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am,
Yes, sir. Now
shall we start, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
Start.
sir.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. It's my pleasure to be with you today as a resource person of day 3 of this faculty development program. Before to start that, I want to say we are already we are living in an era of artificial intelligence. We are almost already transforming the way we teach, learn, and conduct research. And AI is not a replacement to our roles, but it enhances them. AI help us in making a lot of tasks like scheduling, regular tasks. We got day-to-day affairs or day-to-day work we are performing in our as academician is done by AI with an enhanced manner and enriched manner. It supports very well in our personalized learning for our way of exposure to students. I think this session will explore a practical AI tools that can make our academic journey more efficient and impactful. Let us join together how AI can become our partner in shaping the future of education. In this first image itself, you can easily note that how the impact of AI in our teaching. Here, the lesson is taught by an robotics with all the symbols have been in his mind so that it can represent each and everything in a classroom. First, I want to say that why AI is important to us because it enhances our teaching efficiency, it accelerates our research work, and improves students' engagement with our planning schedules and everything. It also supports the administrative tasks like scheduling the timetable and test and grading system. And each and everything we can use AI, and it promotes innovations and life learning things in academic or administrative tasks like drafting reports and sending mails to the mails regarding our meetings or parents teachers connect. Like that we can use AI. For that reason only we have chosen this topic, why AI is important or always with us with doing the things in a better manner. See, this is a I can say it's a small amount of tools are displayed to you, but I have a diagram which shows how it is evenly distributed. It comes the AI is used in research and writing content or documentations and developing a websites, video making for our class LMS afterwards, and doing some marketing activities, images, creating logos. These are the wide areas where we are using AI already in our era. These icons shows that how much of plenty of tools are available for us, and for doing this kind of improved version or and making an impact version of our learning and uh, teaching. Learning and teaching it can be done by using this AI. First, we will go with Notebook LM. It's an Google AI, and it could be an open source. It is mainly used for educating teachers. Teachers are using this Notebook LM in a many ways, like lesson planning and summarization, and you can load textbooks or PDF in this environment, and it will give you summarized thing for example, a teacher wants to get a abstract from 50 pages Yes, participants, can you able to hear me? Anyone? Kindly
Yes, sir.
respond me.
Yes, sir.
My screen is
Yeah,
shared,
it's visible, sir.
Yes. I think I have stopped in this notebook LM. Yes, we will start. Some issues are there in power supply use. Okay, we can go ahead. Yes, the another example where we can where we a teacher or anyone has want to create a science article by giving a material with the text as well as images, that can also be done. That in that fourth point I have clearly mentioned that content simplification for different levels. A same content we can segregate into grade 7 or grade 10, 12, like that. We can able to give the same inputs. It will note LM will generate a different type of set of questions that can be given to the students. That can be easily done by this tool. Yes, this is the environment. You can see after putting your notebook LM in any browser, it's an open source. The screen will be like this only. Center of thing we can understand, and try note LM is an starting point where you can give an content. Here, this example, I have uploaded a document or PDF in left side of my screen. I have uploaded by adding the source. Here the source is there. In source, I added AI notes PDF, which already I had. It consists of 7 or 8 pages. That content is summarized into a paragraph. Here in the middle, now I am showing the cursor, moving the cursor. There the content has been extracted by this notebook LM in a smaller content, but it doesn't left any important point. And in that right side, you can see 4 options. Number 1 is audio overview, video overview, mind map, and reports. These are the 4 things we can able to do that. First thing, we have to add the PDF or any source file from your local or in your cloud area. You can add that file to this content. The entire content will be shown in this middle area where the extracted essence. You can give a prompt by giving a 10 lines or 15 lines. You can give that entire content. We can convert in the next slide. We will do that. Now I will play the audio where this file, this already previous content AI notes is already uploaded by me. That is converted into a audio file. Just you hear these things.
Artificial intelligence, AI, hear it everywhere, right? Yeah, omnipresent.
Absolutely, it's the buzzword.
But what does it actually mean? Beyond the hype, how do your notes help us solve all that? That's what we're here for.
Exactly. Dive into the source material you sent over at ainotes.pdf. Plan is to pull out the really key bits of information.
A shortcut, basically.
Yeah, think of it like that. Your shortcut to actually knowing what you're talking about, maybe with a few surprising things thrown in. Interesting.
Sounds good. So for this data set, the mission is pretty clear. Let's unpack what AI is according to your notes, then look at the different types mentioned,
Right.
and finally see how it actually shows up in tools. All straight from the source, no extra jargon if we can help it.
Let's do it.
Okay, so let's unpack this AI thing. We hear the term constantly, but how do your notes define it? Like, at its core, what artificial intelligence AI? You hear it everywhere, right?
This is audio thing created or generated with this notebook LM AI generated this thing. You can note down that a conversation is between the two. We can include ourselves also in this conversation, so that a deep discussion can be made before going for an results. This can be done by the notebook LM, belongs to Google. Here, I have said no. We can able to create quiz or question or the exam grading system can be done by the using notebook LM. That can be done the same content. Yeah, 2 pages or 3 pages content. What I have given as a artificial intelligence introduction to AI. That the PDF has been converted by using this AI. Here, see the questions. Number of questions. I have shown only 6. It goes up to, I have given part A, part B, part C, like 3 partitions with every part pattern will be given by us. Based upon the pattern what we gave, it generates the question papers, and as well as if we need answer, that too can be generated.
Artificial intelligence, AI.
Yes. Next, I want to show you the Google AI Studio. Previously, it is called as a Vertex AI Prompt Studio. Before inclusion of Google, this application AI tool is named as Vertex AI Prompt Studio. It's also free for basic operations, and it is using and experimenting with AI models without any coding experts. That is a file. This can be converted into a summarized one, or important points can be summarized. Then we can convert this PDF into audio or video files in previous tool. Here, without any coding knowledge, we can generate models. That is a main important thing in Google AI Studio. It allows us to generate text, images, and chatbots using these powerful AI tool models. It is used for us as an educator, students or professionals. It simplifies the AI adoptions to an easy to use interface and quick AI Studio. AI Studio, the icon is like this one. Designs, promotes for education, generates lesson plan and quizzes, interactive activities for students. That is the thing. Here is that is a different, but between the previous one and this one, we can create worksheets, and we can create some built-in AI-powered chatbots to answer your students' FAQs, like interactive sessions. The student may not know that it is inbuilt versions, but you simply give the questions, repeatedly asking questions. FAQ can be generated by ask questions. The answers will be created or generated using Google AI Studio. Then we can post these questions to students. They will get an automatically they will get an AI powered chatbots answers. Like this method of doing things can be used for what we are giving in a questions will be asked by the parents and students for during the admissions. How much of fees is there, or when to comes, like that they may ask. For that reason, we can use this AI tool to generate and to generate AI sponsored or AI backup chatbots things, and we can go for analysis. We can upload our CSV files or Excel files, and using given exact prompts to get the insights, summaries, or visualization the data sets. While the data sets, what the data set we have uploaded, based upon the data set, we will give an insights. Data abstractions can be done. For example, load a sales data, and we can able to generate the trends, or we can identify the patterns of sales in a particular area in a particular month. Like that, we can able to extract. Next thing, Yes, this is the environment we can able to go through. We while using if you want to use a Google AI Studio, you have to log in with your Google ID. That is Google mail ID. Here already I have logged in and given a simple thing. Here I didn't type any questions. Explain the probability of rolling 2 dice and getting 7. It's an already inbuilt question. Just I am running this question, I can get an answers. In this area, we have to look on the very important thing, the settings. Running settings, I have selected Gemini 2.5 Pro here. There is a lot of options are there. We can able to go for this. Next. Yes, it will be clearly seen, visible to you where I am running this content. See, this here the Python codings, JavaScript, and Go, Java, REST are the 5 softwares available. The same thing can be generated without writing any code for a particular programming knowledge. For example, a content is explain how AI works in a few words. That is the thing I want to get from the this tool. We can select any programming language like Python, JavaScript, Go and Java. Rest are the available tools there. I have generated the coding for displaying the content of AI works in a few words like in Python. See, this is an image created. Again, I want to generate. See the simple thing. A prompt. I have given a single quotes robot holding a red scatterboard. Like this is a thing I have given in a previous thing here. The middle I have given. After getting this input, because it as a image file, it will take a few more time. It is already well known to you all because we are using ChatGPT daily. When we are creating images, we will get an instant image, instant message will be there. Getting the image is generating. Please kindly wait for a while. It will be generated in a due course like that. We will get so that only I have generated previously by giving a prompt of a robot holding a red skateboard. Here, a robot is image has been generated by prompting. Right? Next tool I want to show that mind scraps. It is a tool where it helps the students to get a fast revision. Yes, sorry, fast revisions because students may be well aware that before the exam they may have some sort of doubts and they want to study it again. For that reasons, you can't able to go to the notebooks because students may have 10 or 15 notebooks. That content will be know that mode of using a AI tool, it can be easily identified and it can generate by giving a single word, it will upload the entire content or the particular content what you have needed. First thing, we are uploading a textbook in a text in Word format or PDF format. Usually all the uploading will be done by PDF. Since it is in a compatibilities will be more and it will take a lesser time. So we want to upload anything in a PDF. Then the AI creates flashcards and summarizes it. Then it will stores in our location where we can get that. It's a third tool, third important tool, which are related to our education productivity. Next one, plain paper. This tool is related to our research because every day we are learning and we are studying both the thing for students as well as for us. In shaping our future, we want to go with these things. For these things, the explain paper will do that. Uploading a research paper, if we are having 10 or 15 papers related to our domain, that can be uploaded. AI provides a simplified explanations for entire content. See, it will take 5 or 6 hours for us to read a single paper and extracting the single paper essence. It will be 4 or 5 days will we take. But in explain paper, in AI tool, where we can able to store any number of research papers, it will simplify the paper within a fraction of second and explain as self-explanatory notes. And for research complexity, makes complexity student
Excuse me, sir.
any of these because of this learning the work.
Excuse
And
me, sir.
next one is the bad. Yes, ma'am.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am. It is.
sir,
Yes,
excuse
ma'am.
me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Your
ma'am. Tell me,
voice is
ma'am.
breaking,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am. Oh, um, now it is clear, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
sir.
audible, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello,
yes.
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Now it's okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Now it's fine.
Yes.
That's what we look into it. Then max A plus plus, అది కూడా top grade. Then that's what
No,
Indian
yes,
college.
ma'am.
Another book that I was last year, embedded system realizing ఒకసారి CGM జరిగింది.
Another participant
Finally,
mic is, I think so.
department is Osmania University R&D research center. So you name what.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, it is, yes, my
Yeah,
screen is
fine.
visible now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Next tool is the BARD, BARD, where we can ask questions. It will generate a lesson plan based upon the questions. We can give what are the things we are planning for next day of class. We can say to this board, it will give generated creative lesson ideas with an interactive session for students, so that the class can be engaged in a fruitful and nice manner. Yes. Next one is Dell 3 E3. I think it's a last tool, and it's an open AI where we can generate image from 2023, where we can create a highly prompts. It usually generates infographics for our lectures, so that we can have a picture and explain this content. It will create like a virtual classrooms and next illustrate the teaching. See, these are images created by using this AI tool, Dell E3. I have given just a word, data based normalization, and then it will generate entire content. I didn't have this PDF, I think. A PDF where I got the entire content. Normalization, what is mean by normalization, what is the use of normalization, where we are using, and first normal form, second normal form, voice codes, each and everything. I have given only the red line, the images for database normalization. Like this is the thing I have given a prompt. It generates the entire notes for 3 pages. It explains each and everything from single word, from starting the word database, with a clear diagram. By this diagram, we can able to explain the students what is mean by see the table is there. Uh, the container like structure is here given. For that, we will take a minimum 10 to 15 minutes when we are going with any other tools, any other basic softwares. Here, when we are using AI, DEL 3, it is generated a very fast manner and with accurate manner. What are the things needed for our students as well as for us to do the explanations. Here, see the normal form 1. It is already, this content will may be in any website, but it taken that site and extracted the thing and given to us in a prompt manner. See, these are the free AI tools, especially used for our faculty communities. I have classified in the tools into 4 categories: research, writing, teaching materials, administrating purpose, where we can use this AI tool. Basic tools are also always free. In some tools, they are restricting by having we can generate up to 15 slides, 20 slides per day. Next day we have to go like that they are giving. But these are the these are the free tools available for research activities. That is Research Rabbit, SciSpace, writing notes or documentations. We will go with Grammarly. Already we are using ChatGPT. In mobile also, we have so many of them are using that. In making teaching material with audio video effects and like YouTube channels, we can able to create our text, our lesson plan by using Canva or Gamma or Slide AI. These are the tool where we used to generate teaching materials. Likewise, the Notation AI and Microsoft Full Plot is a tool or a AI is mainly used for administrative purpose, where I already told no the scheduling process and meeting scheduling and grading and conducting test schedule or slow learners training like that. We can able to do these things. Here I have given 3 samples. If anybody wants to know, just note down these things. AI for literature review. The tool named is Elicit, ELICIT. The website is elicit.org. It is purely a free AI research assistant tool where we can enter a research question. AI suggests related papers and extract findings. See how our task is simplified by using a simple tool in which we can able to enter the research question. It will create a it will suggest the related papers where so many authors have already published. Here we can, if any participants is willing to do that, they can search one paper relevant to their domain. And while we are doing day to day, we are using these tools means only we can able to go ahead of these things. Otherwise, it will be new to every day. It will be new to us when we are using a WhatsApp in initial days. It will be somewhat first task. Nowadays, we don't get anything. Anything from anything hard in using these tools like that. When we are practicing the tools, it will be very easy for us to go with these things. Yes, shall we go for next one? That is a writing and summarizing tool, SciSpace, where we can summarize in a research article and drafting the research abstract. Because once the papers are accepting by the journals, they read only the abstract. In the abstract itself, we have to give 30 to 40 words. We have to say the entire content in the paper. For that and all, we can use these 2 chat GPTs or SciSpace to do that thing, so that your initial screening of the paper will not be rejected. Summarize the research article and drafting the research abstract, because abstract plays an vital role. So you can use that tool to getting this kind of things. this task is given to you is copy paste the article abstract and ask AI to summarize it in 3 points. See, 30 to 40 words are there in usually in a Scopus journal paper. Published journal papers will have at least 30 to 40 words are there. We can able to ask the AI tool to do is just to summarize in 3 points. That can be done as a second exercise. The last one is the teaching materials. These are the things very, very important nowadays. Every colleges are expecting us to give a PPT. PPT is in the old manner. Now they are asking us to do the lesson planning and teaching planning in a LMS software. For that, we need a topic can be given, but it should be converted into PPT. That PPT should have some audio as well as video files and images, colorful images. For that reason, for that purpose, we can go with this Canva or Gamma tool can be used. Like I have given an example as introduction to marketing slides. I asked that Canva to generate 10 slides. Within a fraction of a second, it generates. And after generating, I asked that I giving an again prompting to give a clear picture and adding other objects like that. It will go on and improvise to that thing. At the end of the day, I will get an exact LMS tool for having a ready package for our class. One second, I want to say prompting is very, very important thing. One second, I will show that. In middle of these things, I have added a 5 or 6. Like I don't know where I have kept it. I'm searching that. Kindly wait for a while. Ah. Actually, I want to, before concluding my thing, I want to show that the images where the prompt plays a vital role. That I could not get that. Actually, before this conclusion slide, I want to show the importance of prompting. I have given a prompt as a man with a horse. It shows an images or it shows the image of horse and man. It is not related with any other thing. If I give a prompt like background as a horse and the man is sitting on a horse like that, we are giving means the image will be very prompt and very accurate to our need. That for that I had 2 or 3 images so that you can able to understand, but I could not. I don't know where I have kept. Sorry. Finally, I want to conclude this presentation. Says that AI tools save time for teachers, enhance student learning, and we can have a focus on interaction and guidance, and we can say that AI is a productive partner, not a replacement. Um, Before to conclude, I want to summarize the things. Based upon your need, you select the AI tool, and you go with these things. Every day you are using that tool means that will be nice for us, and as well as to be familiar with your content, we can go ahead of things. AI is a productive partner, not a replacement to ours. Thank you. Any questions, participants? Participants, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir,
Nice one.
for sharing your valuable insights and enlightening us
Thank
on
you.
how artificial intelligence can play a vital role in academic productivity.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
Before
Thank
we
you
move,
once. Thank you for the management authorities and organizers for inviting me to give this thing. And I really thank all the participants for their patience due to my technical issues faced by me and bearing my uh, your time with me. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, ma'am.
thank you, sir. Thank you. Before we move on to the concluding part, I kindly request all respected participants, organizing committee members, and faculties present here to please switch on your cameras for a moment. Kindly please switch on your cameras for a photo. I request everyone to switch on your cameras, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you all. Thank you all for your permission. Now, to propose the vote of thanks, I invite Mrs. E. Yamini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application.
I extend my sincere gratitude to our esteemed founder, Father Dr. J.E. Arulot, for his continuous support. A special thanks to today's resource person, Dr. N. Manoharan, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science, for sharing a valuable insight during the FDP. My heartfelt thanks to our administrator, Sister Dr. M. Devi, and our beloved principal, Dr. R. Ruben, for encouraging us throughout the planning and execution of the FDP. Next, I thank all the participants who patiently support us and the discussion. Finally, I extend my gratitude to all the HODs program coordinators, faculties, and technical team. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Dear participant, the feedback link for today's session has been posted in the chat box. Kindly make use of the link and submit your feedback without fail. It is mandatory to get your certificates. With that, we conclude today's session. Thank you to our respected resource person, our coordinators, and all the enthusiastic participants who have joined us online today. We look forward to see you all tomorrow for day 4, where the topic will be artificial intelligence in telemedicine. Thank you once again. Have a pleasant evening.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.